Hey, Chef K. Hey, I'm working on some red beans and rice here. Got the Zetarans, red beans and rice. We got some on the simmer here. Oh, fogging it up. Hey. We've got 9 cups of water. We got 2 of these family size packages in here. 9 cups of water. Half a stick of butter. That's 4 tablespoons of butter. And I cut up a smoked kielbasa sausage in there. Small, pretty small. Cut them in half. Cut the rings in half so you can see they're not real big. We're going to simmer this for 30 minutes at least. Package says 25 minutes. I've made this a lot. It takes longer than 25 minutes to get it done. So we've brought it to a boil, 9 cups of water, both boxes of this. We added a whole smoked kielbasa sausage to it, chopped up small. Side dish. Over here, we've got green beans, seasoned green beans, and seasoned mixed greens. There's collard greens in there, turnip greens, all that kind of stuff. And some bacon, small chunks of bacon. We're getting that cooked up, getting that heated up. All right. So we've got quite a bit to wait here, maybe 30 minutes or so on this red beans and rice. We're chilling with some sweet, sugar-free iced tea. We got our hot pepper sauce ready to go. This one we've had a long time. I keep putting white vinegar in there. That's all you got to do is fill these back up with white vinegar if you drain them. But we've been filling and draining this one for probably 3 years. We're gonna toss that one. I think those peppers are spent. We're gonna crack open a new one. Hey now. And here's the liquid gold or liquid red, whatever you want to call it. I like to put this. Hey, let's be authentic. Put Louisiana hot sauce on there. All right. On the red beans and rice, we'll put the pepper sauce on the greens and green beans. Got a couple of baguettes from the deli, from the bakery, I mean. Deli, bakery. They're right next to each other. All right, so we're going to eat those too. We're not going to do anything to those. It's too hot. So we're not going to bake those up or anything. We're just going to tear a chunk off and eat it with the soup. Now, it's not really soup. I'm going to thicken it up. If you only do 25 minutes of simmer on these red beans and rice over here, you're going to have soup. I don't want soup. I want thick red beans and rice. I want it thicker than soup. It's going to go in a bowl anyway, or maybe it won't. I don't know. We'll see what the consistency turns out to be. Be better if I could keep the camera on this thing, wouldn't it? We'll see what the consistency turns out to be. I like to come in here because this is a mix with rice, and it's got the dried beans, the red beans and whatnot in there. I like to come in and make sure that it's not sticking, that none of that. So when I first put it together, I had a half a stick of butter in there. We put the 9 cups of water, and I made sure with my love to use these wooden spoons, wooden scrapers, wooden spatulas. They're great. They don't scratch your pans up, and they're really good at getting the stuff off the bottom without getting if you burn stuff onto the bottom of the pan, if you go in here with this kind of lightly, you're not going to scrape that burnt crap up like you would with a piece of metal. And I don't know. I don't really like using metal unless I have to. So we're going with the wood. Going with the wood today. We're going to let that simmer. Come back in here and stir these up a little bit. We're just heating these up. These are already cooked. So we're just getting that hot. That's going to be good with that pepper sauce now. That's what I'm talking about. All right. We got some simmer time to go. And we'll be back. Put that red beans and rice goodness, or maybe we'll put the red beans and rice on a plate and we'll put our seasoned greens in that little bowl. Isn't that neat? That is old. Got that from her grandparents. I don't know where the rest of the set went. I wish I had it. I've got four bowls, 4 of those little bowls, and they are awesome. We'll be back. All right, I think we got that consistency we're looking for. I think it's good. I'll dish it up here. All right. A lot of sausage down in there. Let's get a little more right there. A lot of sausage in that. Red beans and rice. Alrighty. We're going to come over here. We've got our bread. Just got some bread there. Some of these greens on here. This is mixed greens, collard greens, turnip greens, seasoned up with some bacon. And we got some green beans mixed in there. Let that juice drain off a little bit so we don't end up, we're going to soak up some of it with that bread. Let's move that bread over there and get on that. There you go. We're going to block it. Block it on both sides with some bread. How about that? Look at that juice. Okay. And we're going to get over here. Oh, yeah. Juice is flowing there. All right. Oh, yeah. Perfect. We get a little of that Louisiana hot sauce in there. I like a lot. You do you. You don't like a lot, don't put a lot. Get that peppers and vinegar down on that. Just a few drops. You can see we've already got some plate juice. We're just going to take care of that with that roll. That's actually kind of a soft baguette. We didn't toast it or anything. We're going to have to get in here on this, make sure it's okay for people to eat. Let's check it out. Oh, it's hot. That'll work. We'll see you next time.
You'll be all right.
Hey. That's not a very good look. Hey, we'll see you next time. We're out. Geez, my hair looks like hell.